you guys have been making news for all the professional reasons for triple X success, but personal reasons के लिए भी आप Indian और news में चल रही हैं. There are news that you're back to being single.
What?
Yeah.
No, we end it here. Thank you.
We don't get you because आप juggle up कर रही हैं Hollywood and India के बीच में. So just wanted your reaction to it, to the whole news.
Which news?
You're back to being single now.
What do you think?
No.
What would you like me to be? I'll be whatever you want me to be. Thank you.
Just one question. There are we are looking forward for you to be a part of Mr. and Mrs. Smith remake.
Huh?
So
What?
There are rumors about you being a part of Mr. and Mrs. Smith remake. How much of that is actually true?
Well, let's set the record straight. Because I think there have been a lot of rumors about a lot of films that I'm supposedly doing. And I think that usually there's a lot of dignity that's involved when an actor is approached for a film. Whether it's a narration, whether it's an actor saying yes to a film, whether it's an actor saying no to a film. There is a certain decorum. It's unsaid, but I think most actors believe that there is a certain sort of decorum that goes, or conduct that goes with being offered a film, and then if you do it, or if you don't do it, or if, for whatever reason. And sometimes it's a bit, I can't find the right word, but I think it's a bit unclassy when certain information is given out that is completely untrue, and sometimes when an actor's name is attached to a project that has no truth or no relevance. But I guess it comes from a space of maybe it probably works in the producer's favor to have a certain actor's name attached to a certain product to a certain film for various reasons. I've always maintained that when I'm offered a film, I'll talk about it. If I'm not doing a film, I will never talk about it. So all this speculation can go on. The only film that I am doing right now, or even thinking of or considering, is Padmavati. It's consuming all of my life. And when I have something else to talk about, I'll do that.
Deepika.
Thank you.
You got your name in the voting list.
Deepika.